Okay, Red Rooster Team, we have arrived at the airport. The first thing we have to do is sneak in. Are you guys listening? Pay attention, bird brains. I need everyone to fly over the fence and get into position.
Whoa!
I gotta do my warm-up stretches before I fly over, boss. Over.
What am I going to do with you incompetent clowns? Okay, team. You all made it over the fence. Barely. I'm beginning to wonder if any of our training has helped at all. Not to mention the fact that you all seem to be getting worse at flying, rather than getting better.
Huh? What? I told them to stretch first, boss.
Listen up, Red Roosters. That bird over there is our target. Okay, team? Once again, the plan is to form our patented impenetrable chicken chain on the runway to get our message across to the humans. We, as chickens and guardians of the earth, will no longer stand for any more of their ground, air, or water pollution.
Oh, we got your back, boss.
Got it, boss. Over. Buck up, team. This is our moment of truth.
This doesn't look good, folks. I'm afraid to watch.
What the heck are these roosters doing?
I have no idea, Captain. Does it look like they're playing chicken with the plane?
It sure does look like they're playing chicken with the plane. Well, they're gonna have to move. We got a schedule to keep. Prepare the flight crew for takeoff.
Roger that, Captain. Flight crew, prepare for takeoff. It could be a little bit bumpy.
Close your eyes, folks. This could be ugly.
Do the roosters understand tonnage laws? Or were they literally born in a barn?